we all are celebrating the brown color day. Yes, do you see what color dress this is? It is brown in color. Yes, do you look around and see the trees? What is the color of the bark of the trees? Yes, it's brown. And I can see some of the birds and animals are also brown in color. Can you think about some examples? Yes, an eagle is brown in color. Horse is brown in color. Isn't it? There are so many things that are brown in color.
Children, look at this. This is a brown color purse, brown color walnuts, brown comb, brown yummy chocolate, and this is a brown table. See, if you also look around, you will find so many things that are brown. You will find so many things that are brown in color. Now let's sing a song. There is a color we all know. Can you guess what it is? B-R-O-W-N brown, B-R-O-W-N brown, B-R-O-W-N brown. That's how you spell brown. Teddy bears and squirrels are brown. Autumn leaves are too brown. Chocolate candy is always brown. Chocolate cake is always brown. Chocolate milk is always brown. I like brown. I like brown. Don't you?
Today we are going to make a very interesting craft which is brown in color. This craft is actually a toy. So let's get started and make this interesting toy that is a monkey toy. Follow me and enjoy making this craft.
So children, I have taken a square sheet of paper and I am now folding it in half. Yes, this way you have to fold it. Now as you make this fold, open it now, and at the folded edge you have to again fold this paper like it. See? Yes, right in the center you have to make the folds. Again half, and again take the paper in your hand this way and fold it in half. Yes, such that you get another fold. Observe carefully, and then again open it and fold it in half. Same way you have to repeat, children. Yes, that's right. It should look like this, children. Now, I have made such type of fold by putting my finger in between, and now I am going to fold it to make a triangle, right? This way you have to do it, and again put your thumb inside and fold it this way nicely. Yes, that's the way you have to do it. And repeat the same on the other side. See how I am doing it? How I made it? I put my finger. Yeah, this way. Just press it nicely. And on the other side also you have to repeat the same. Observe the steps very carefully, children. Now, look carefully and make a triangular fold this way. Yes. On this side and on the opposite side as well, you have to make such type of fold. Yeah, that is right. And the other corners, you have to just make a triangular fold inwards. Okay, you have to fold the corners inwards. Yes, same you have to repeat for the other side, children. See now? Yeah, fold it nicely. Now this is ready. Now just press on the inverted side so that you make a plus sign and try the movements of the paper this way. Now what we are supposed to do, you have to take two circle cutouts and make a cone with this scissor and the glue. See how I am making it? These are the symbols which the monkey will be holding, right? Remember, I told you our monkey is a toy, paper toy here. So I am making symbols in his hand to hold. So I made this way using the yellow color sheet of paper. And you have to just paste it here like this. After pasting, you have to make some cutouts like this on the brown sheet of paper. I have made the monkey face. See? And pasted the main face part. I drew it on the yellow sheet of paper. I also made a tail and the legs. Yes, this is how you do it. And now your monkey is ready. Now how to play with this? Just put your thumb inside and this way. Yes, monkey toy is now ready. Enjoy making this toy.